it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning from July 1st to the 7th, and on the 4th, it is Independence Day in the States. And I'm using this gorgeous blue, white, and pink kit because I do not like the color red. And so I thought this was perfect because it got close enough to having the blue and white in there, even though I knew I wasn't gonna include the red, but I probably will have a little bit of red on Thursday because I do like to mark Independence Day, but I don't like a full-on patriotic week because of my color preferences. So I decided to use this gorgeous kit from the Sweet Planner and I am obsessed with it. I cannot wait to use this. Here are the full boxes and I think they're stunning. I love this fancy girl and her dress. On this page we have full box checklists. I usually don't use a lot of these, but typically I use maybe like one in my sidebar, so I expect to use one of those. On this page, we have our functional stickers, and this has some really cute kiss cut icons, circle icons, headers, the Monday through Sunday tracker, and some habit trackers. Oh, I love that weekend banner too. On this page, we have the half boxes, and we've got printed and solid half boxes and some half box checklists. I really love this page. So many great things there. This is the little things page. I typically don't use little things. And then on this page, we have the bottom washi and cut washi. Very excited. So let's go ahead and get started putting down this bottom washi and get going with this spread. Starting by placing down the bottom washi, which is cut into two pieces. So I did white out the lines that are printed on the bottom of the page before I put down the bottom washi. And the top piece has the cute bows on it, and the bottom has the stripes and floral print. And then I moved on to putting down the page flags. And here you see me using whiteout to remove the dates that are printed at the top of the page because the date covers that I'm using are predominantly white in the background. And these date covers are from Rose Colored Daze. The kits did not come with date covers, and I thought these would be perfect because I really love the font on these date covers and I love the style of them, and I thought they complemented this kit really well. Now moving on to the sidebar, and I'm starting with the fancy girl in her cute little dress. I love that full box. And then underneath there, I pulled a washi strip from the kit, and that's going to be the background for the header for my first section. And I'm using one of the full box checklists, so I'm going to create a school to-do checklist for myself. And then underneath there, I added another one of the washi strips and the Monday through Sunday tracker, which is where I'll keep track of my dinners for the week. And then I used a glitter header and added a week habit tracker to mark my workouts. The scripts that I'm using in the sidebar are all from Rose Colored Daze. These are her original scripts on premium matte paper with a white background. She now does scripts with a clear background, and I've been thinking about switching over, but I think I'm going to use up all of my premium matte ones first. Moving on to Monday, I had these star foiled headers from Tasseled Planner, and I thought they were perfect for this week, and they matched the kit so well. And so I'm putting down the star foiled header. I added one of the flowers from the deco sheet, and then I added one of those work scripts from Rose Colored Daze that came on a sampler, and that has the clear background, and I really like the look of that. So again, I'm thinking about it with those scripts, but I think I'm going to hold off. And then underneath there, I added a half box from the kit. I just wanted to mark down. I was getting some decorations ready for my boss's birthday, and that was what I was marking in that half box. Underneath there, I put down the full box for Monday, and I'm adding a gold foiled header from Rose Colored Daze on top of that. Underneath that full box, I'm going to use a half box from Artbox Stickers, and I love the clean look of those half boxes with just the simple foiled lines. And I wanted to add a little bit of embellishment to it, which is why I really like those types of full half boxes, because you can add your own deco to them. So I pulled this flower from the deco sheet, and I'm just cutting off where it hangs over the side of the column and underneath the bottom of that half box. And I feel like it just looks like it's part of the design of that half box, and I really like that look. The little bunny sack icon is from Tasseled Planner, and I'm using that half box to mark reviewing my weekly budget and that I booked an excursion for our upcoming cruise. Underneath there, I'm using a scalloped quarter box from Artbox Stickers, and that's to mark I'll run to the Dollar Tree that I need to do after work. On Tuesday, I'm starting with a to-do header and then adding a striped washi strip from the kit. Layering on top of that, a little grocery shopping cart icon from Tasseled Planner. I wanted to mark going to the grocery store before work. Underneath there, I'm going to place down the full box for Tuesday. So I'm starting by adding a header from Rose Colored Daze and then laying down the full box. I'm going to put down a half box now to mark the class that I'm starting this week. And okay, you guys are going to think I'm a little bit crazy for this one, I'm sure. But I'm actually restarting the class I was just in. It was a statistical research class that I dropped because I was going to get a C in that class, and I've been working so hard on keeping my GPA at a certain level that I just could not handle getting a C in that class. So I was like, no, I'm sorry, I have to retake this. So this class title might look familiar, and that's because I was in this class before. Underneath there, I added another one of those star headers and then used a page flag from the kit to mark going to the bakery after work. And then at the bottom of the page, I used a quarter box from Tasseled Planner to mark that I needed to submit my discussion posts or get started on them for the week. And then above that, I put down a floral deco piece from the kit and layered a elliptical sticker from Tasseled Planner on top of that to mark a workout. On Wednesday, it is my husband's birthday, and I marked that at the top of the page, which you didn't see me go over because I'm going to go back and change that because I really hate the way I wrote his name, and that I freaked out about it. Also, it was my boss's birthday at work. Birthdays at my job are a really big deal, and so I was really sad that I had pulled my boss's name in our birthday draw because I knew it was the same day as my husband's birthday, but it worked out. It was fine. We had a really great celebration for her, and she was so happy, and she really loved the theme and the celebration. It was a great day at work. At the bottom of the page, I put down a movie marquee from Rose Colored Daze and then added the full box for Wednesday right on top of that. And here you see me cutting down that full box because I wanted to leave myself some room. I wasn't quite sure yet what else I was going to need to mark on Wednesday, but I knew I was going to need some more space there. So at the bottom, you see me marking that I took my husband to go see Spider-Man that night, which was just the beginning of celebrating his birthday. We're also going to Disneyland in a couple of weeks because his birthday and his brother's birthday are only 2 weeks apart, so we're going to celebrate both of them in the new Star Wars Galaxy Land. They're going to have a blast because they're both big Star Wars fans. Anyways, moving on to the weekend, I put down 2 washi strips on Saturday and Sunday, and here you see me layering the weekend banner with one of the candle deco pieces from the kit, and I just thought that came together so cute. On Thursday, I'm starting with one of the blue gold foiled headers from Tasseled Planner. Then I added a page flag from a freebie from the Sweet Planner, and the day off script is from Nikki +3. Underneath there, I added a half box, and this is where I'm going to mark that it is the 4th of July. And so I layered this little heart, American flag heart that I had that I got as a freebie last year. I forget the name of the shop, but it was perfect for marking the 4th of July, and the 4th of July script is from Artbox Stickers. Underneath there, I added another one of those gold foiled star headers, and the cute little lazy day couch is from GP Sticker Studio. Then I'm going to finish adding the rest of the full boxes for Thursday through Sunday. So I put down the full box for Thursday. For Friday, I put that one kind of right next to that weekend banner. On Saturday, I put it at the bottom of the page, and then Sunday a little bit higher up. And now I'm just adding a gold foiled header on top of Saturday, layering one of the washi strips on top of that, and then I'm going to add a gold foiled laptop sticker from my newest addiction, and that's where I'm going to write my homework assignment for the weekend. Okay, here's where I jump back to Wednesday and fix the atrociousness of my horrible handwriting. So I started with one of those star headers, added a quarter box from Sadie Stickers, and then put down the happy birthday script from Letters to Apollo with the balloons from Tasseled Planner and rewrote my husband's name, and I like that much better. Now I'm going back to Friday, and I'm taking one of these large florals from the deco sheet. I love her deco sheets simply because her florals are so amazing, and I like that you can get really creative with how you incorporate them into your spreads. So I'm cutting the flowers so that some of the leaves will hang over onto the date cover, and I'm using this large floral piece as almost like a header. and so I love the way it looks at the top of that column. And then I added a TGIF script from Nedi Designs underneath there. I'm popping back to Monday to mark that it was Letters to Apollo's 1-year anniversary, and there were lots of fun things happening and giveaways happening on her Facebook page. So it was a really exciting day on Monday. Then on Wednesday, I used another one of those quarter boxes from Sadie Stickers and layered a study script from Artbox Stickers on top of there to mark that I did some studying during my lunch break. And then on Thursday, I'm adding another one of those headers from Rose Colored Daze and a half box from the kit. I layered a sticker sale script sticker from Letters to Apollo on top of that because there were tons of 4th of July sales happening on Thursday, and so I wanted to mark that down. And then at the bottom of the page, I'm adding a planning sesh script, and that's actually from my PR freebie from Artbox Stickers. And so I did some planning on Thursday because it was a wonderful day off. And so I wanted to mark that with my planner. For my pre-order codes, you can get discounts on several of the shops I've mentioned. Make sure to check the description box and you'll find all those codes there. On Friday, I used a half box to mark that I knew I was going to need to cover for many of my coworkers who had taken that Friday off because it was the day after 4th of July, but I was going back to work. And then I added another one of those star headers and another quarter box from Sadie Stickers to mark that I was going to do some discussion post replies during my lunch break at work. Underneath there, I added a washi strip from the kit and a little shopping bag from Tasseled Planner to mark that I wanted to pick up some nail kits. And then I was going to be doing, a friend of mine was going to do her hair after work. And so I wanted to mark that in the space at the bottom because I knew it was going to take me a while. She wanted her hair braided. And so I decided to add a large deco piece. And again, I'm using one of those flowers, and I just really love the way it sits in the corner and way the leaves overlap the bottom washi, kind of similar to the way I did with the date cover at the top of that column. At the top of Saturday, I'm starting with one of those pink star foiled headers and then adding the little pillowcase from the kit, layering a sleep-in script from Nedi Designs on top of that. And then I needed to pick up some new pens. I used the Staedtler Tri-Plus Fine Liner in my planner. It is my favorite planner pen, and I was running a little bit low. I like to order them in bulk on Amazon, and so I'm using a cute little bow pen from GP Sticker Studio layered on top of one of those quarter boxes from Sadie Stickers to just mark buying some new pens on Amazon. I've added a nail polish from Artbox Stickers and layered a little gold foiled bow from Tasseled Planner on top of it to mark painting my nails. And then at the top of Sunday, I put down a washi strip from the kit, and that pattern is one of my favorite patterns in this whole kit. I just love it so much. And I layered a Plan With Me live script on top of there, and I had been doing so well with getting my Plan With Me's up on Sundays, and my school schedule, this class is definitely busy, and my next couple classes after this will keep me busy as well. So I'm going to try to keep up with my Sunday uploads, but they may not be as consistent as they were. I'll keep you posted. At the bottom of the page, I put down a washi strip and layered a workout sticker from the kit. And then above that, I'm adding a little laundry basket from Tasseled Planner. I wanted to wash clothes and organize my closet. Above there, I actually missed mentioning that I did add a little cleaning icon from Tasseled Planner because I wanted to clean the bathroom. And then to finish off Sunday, I'm just adding a piece of the floral deco and marking plan and chill because I just like to plan and relax on Sundays. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end of the video. It is time for our preview at next week's spread. Next week I'll be planning from July 8th to the 14th, and I'm super excited about next week's spread because this is a collab with Nedi Designs. She reached out to me and asked if I was interested in doing a collab with her, and I was so excited and immediately said yes. So this is the kit that we've selected to do our collab with, and it is her True Beauty kit. This is her revamp of this kit because she'd released it before, but this time she's released it with foil, and I got mine with rose gold foil, and I absolutely love it. So this is the kit for next week, and I'm really excited for it. I hope you guys will come back and check out that plan with me. And thank you guys so much for watching this one. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.